Hi everyone, this is SUJAY. Today we will discuss what is the difference between a traditional marketing and a digital marketing. And also we will discuss that why you should do a digital marketing. So basically the traditional marketing, you have to know the traditional marketing platforms. Like what are the platforms of traditional marketing we do? Number one is TV advertisement. Number two, it can be a newspaper advertisement. Number three, it can be a banner and hoardings. Number four, it can be leaflet distributions. This kind of platforms are called traditional marketing. And digital marketing, I already discussed the media, which with the help of internet, we used to do a marketing that is called digital marketing. So basically there is three main reasons why you should do a digital marketing. Number one, the reach of traditional marketing is very less compared to the digital marketing. So basically what happens that if someone watches the TV, if someone buy a newspaper and read, and then only he can watch that advertisement, or he can listen to that advertisement. But in digital that is not be happen. That can be directed, or it can be targeted to your specific audience in any time. And number two is obviously the cost of traditional marketing is way too high compared to the digital marketing. Because traditional marketing, what happens, like TV advertisement and newspaper advertisement, it cost almost lakhs of rupees. And for a small scale industry, small scale business, they can't afford this kind of prices. So it will be better to go with the limit to go with the digital marketing rather than the traditional marketing. And number three is the analysis purpose. You cannot track anything in traditional marketing. Means how many people are watching your TV advertisement, how many people see your advertisement in newspaper. You cannot track. But in digital marketing, you can track everything. That is one of the main advantages of digital marketing. You can track and analyze with tools, and you can see what is happening, and accordingly you can optimize. So yes, this is the thing. And mm, please like and subscribe my channel, and do hit the notification bell for more similar updates and more similar topics to learn. Thank you.